For the ninja star, we need a square sheet of paper. Then fold the paper in half and make sure the crease is perfect. Then we are going to tear the paper in half. As you can see, if the crease is perfect, the paper will be torn easily. Take one half of the paper and fold it in half. Repeat the same to the other half. As you can see, both halves should be identical. Take one half and fold it again in half. Then fold one part of the thing of the paper to the other side and the other part to the opposite side. Open up the paper and fold the small square bit into triangles. After you're done, the product should look like this. Repeat the same to the other half, but do it on the opposite side. Do the same, fold the squares into triangles. Both of them should look opposite. Then put one on top of each other like this, the way that I did. Take one corner and open up the corner and put it in. Do the same on both the sides. And here you go. A perfectly cool looking ninja star is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do drop a like and subscribe.